Now, Tilly, if you just go out the back somewhere where you can't hear the rest of this, that'd be good. When did you leave school? Now, I asked Matt Tallboy to just write a few words down. Matt wrote some stuff down, but he's never performed in mixed company before. And I have to put this on because it just helps me get into slam poetry mode. Okay, now I'm ready. My back door. My back door is a happy place, a sanctuary for the whole human race. Black, white, yellow, red, hetero, gay, trans and woke. Prim and proper, loose and loud, all kinds of folk. Sit on the wall, have a ball. Pat the dog, pull up a log. Find out what we've got in store. Your log is welcome at my back door. Don't bring your fists to my back door. Fighting went out in the days of yore. We'll have no aggro at my rear entrance. But if you do, know my vengeance. I'll defend my fun parlour with my life and more. And you may just cop a licking here at my back door.
Oh, Tilly.
There's no gossip here, no idle chatter. My rear entrance is a private matter. It could be swings and roundabouts, but the comings and goings, ins and outs all stay at my back door. That's what privacy is for. In past times, this door was a rancid ruin without any soul. Uncaring friends, I have some, said my rear entrance was really a hole. At a horrible low, I had nowhere to go. In total despair, I knew my rear entry was an utter, disgusting disgrace. Then I thought, a rear merely needs a rear admiral to take charge of the place. Then, enter Rear Admiral Barry, the builder. He appeared on the scene. His nail bagger hanging, his rough hands unclean. He looks a complete construction machine. He came recommended with no building fails. I'd seen him, watched him, ogled him with his taut little tie-downs and fresh polished nails. His tape at the ready, his chisels all gleaming, and he'd run up a ladder even if it was teeming with rain, and his teeth just hanging on his every word as he barked out his orders. The language I heard. Take it from me. He's possibly the Pablo Picasso of pitch-perfect paving.
I don't pay it. Yes,
with the
do.
left bank of his big building brain obsessed by the money I'm saving. And he pounded those posts with percussive precision. Forthwith, following a few frantic Fridays, finally, photographic fruition. And if these simple grey pavers could talk, they would speak from deep within and say there is no greater honour than to get laid by him. Yes, at the end of the day, this humble builder is an excellent lay. Yes, this mighty man has hammered his way straight to my affection that day when he turned his dab hand to this sweet erection, under which we now stand. So beautifully planned. Allow me to address front versus back. I will try to not wander too far from the track. In short, the Philistines enter via the front. I'm not entertaining that kind of stunt. As the Irish swimming coach says, or says. Just trying to channel a bit of Irish here.
Ivan.
George Brock, you know.
Right.
Don't fucking
Tipperary, Donegal. Here we go. If what you be seeking is 95 crack, you enter the meat party via the back. And if Finnegan's going, you couldn't do worse than be a teeny tinch tardy and let Finnegan enter there first. So get to your meat party, don't you be late, 'cause it's slow doing backstroke through Finnegan's wake. And if your clock's running slow, you do the front door not as you oughta, you'll drown doing breaststroke through Finnegan's white water. There you have it. Never the front, even for the Irish, it's not in the hunt. To be honest, my front can grow wild, completely unfettered. No hedge jobs for me. No clipping, no pruning, no trimming, fine tuning. And I know my tidy backside can never be bettered. Where's the action at? Now, right here. Music, poetry and culture coming to fore. We've had double entendre and innuendo. Right here on my pitch perfect floor. In the future, while gatherings I fear are going to give you guys gout. Just imagine the excitement, the tension, the movement, the atmosphere at my back door here when the curries come out. And I do confess, the sounds that slip from my back door I need to address. And I'm untidy. My new rear entry can still be a freaking disgrace. It's my fault with mess, fleas, fungus and mud galore. Small rodents scamper into their space. All this still happens at my rear entry door. And we'll discuss politics, religion, movies and sport. Solve the world's problems with the power of thought. Moot points get stretched just like they're elastic. A cynical, whimsical tongue gymnastic. It's tongue Olympics at my back door. I say that's what it's for. You know what? I've talked home renovations until I was bored. Planning new kitchens, I sat there and snored. It was all just stuff I couldn't afford, but now I live the life of a lord. So if you're feeling low, you're dull, you're ignored, your interests too narrow but need them more broad, grab the bull by the balls, pull the ripcord, get your life back, go get backdoored. To end, I don't need quotes from anyone famous. There'll be no tawdry schoolboy jokes tonight about my beautiful anus. It's fair suck to Savoy here with no reason to hide. Hang around, Hold on to your sausage, grab a wine, imbibe. Don't hit the road, just dump all your load. Be here, be hip, be square, but enjoy the ride. With a back door like this one, there's a really good reason to not come inside.
Which we prefer.
So, all charge your glasses by the dead kangaroo paw. And let's drink a toast to my rear entry door.
Oh, well done, Ian.